this lesson, we're going to look at the next smallest interval, the whole step. In Europe, a whole step is sometimes called a whole tone. Again, I personally prefer to call it a whole step. Okay, so what is a whole step? Well, a whole step is simply two half steps added together. Let's start on middle C. If we wanted to go up by a whole step, we would simply go up two half steps from C. 1, 2, which would be the note D. The distance between these two notes is a whole step. If we started on the note C again, but this time wanted to go down by a whole step, we would simply go down two half steps from C. 1, 2. The distance between these two notes is a whole step. An easier way to think of it is to miss a note out. So let's start on the note F. If we wanted to go up by a whole step from F, we could simply miss a note out, so miss this note out, and then play the next note. So the distance between these two notes is a whole step. Let's start on the note F again, this time going down by a whole step. So miss a note out, then play the next note. The distance between these two notes is a whole step. So a whole step can either be thought of as two half steps added together, 1, 2, 1, 2, or by simply missing a note out. Miss this note out, play the next note. Miss this note out, play the next note. The same exercise we used for half steps can be used to help us remember whole steps. Okay, starting on the note G, go up by 4 whole steps. Miss note out, 1, 2, miss note out, 3, miss note out, 4. Now from this note, go down 3 whole steps. 1, 2, 3. Now from here, go up by 5 whole steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, go down by 2 whole steps. 1, 2. Then from here, go up 4 whole steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you did this exercise correctly, you'll have ended on the note B. Let's try another. Start on the note B and go up 3 whole steps. 1, 2, 3. Now from here, go down by 6 whole steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from here, go up 2 whole steps. 1, 2. Now from here, go down by 5 whole steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, if you did this exercise correctly, you'll have ended on the note B. Try doing this yourself. Start on any note, then randomly go up or down in whole steps. Again, it's a simple yet effective way to help you remember that a whole step is 2 half steps added together, or when going up or down from a note, you simply miss a note out. Just don't forget that whole steps can be both black keys and white keys. A whole step is also the second smallest interval on the piano.